And now, from Any Which Way But Loose, Clyde the orangutan. What's that? Oh, I'm sorry. Clyde couldn't make it, so here to speak for him is the distinguished Don Rickles.
I must say, I'm here to honor Merv Griffin. Merv has been a dear friend of mine, and I love his hotel. I think he's a hell of a guy, and it's a great treat for me to be here for Merv. I do want to say, those of you that ate the fish, you will die. Clint, I say with due respect, 28 years ago we did Kelly's Heroes, and I haven't heard from you since. Clint, I say it, nobody else has said it, and I say it from my heart. You're a lousy actor. Spielberg and all these guys at the table, oh, we know Clint. I know you. Clint's idea of a good time is sitting on a pickup truck watching his dog bark. Mother Eastwood is laughing, knowing damn well you never had so much money in your whole life. Your son played the bass. We sat through that. Now, probably, your daughter will come up here and do the tango. But you know, Clint, and I know, that I have so much on you, which I won't say tonight. Because if I spill it out, you're going to be back in rawhide. And now you're in your late 60s. Live up to it. It's over. But Clint, I understand you're engaged now. I don't know if that's official, but whatever the story is, dear, good luck. A lot of happiness, dear. But we had great days together, Clint. Let's have lunch. God bless you, and I love you.